Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to take care of your wheels. And essentially, I just got these installed. You can watch a video up here. But what I've been advised to do, because I've done a lot of research, and I thought about ceramic coating, I really did. You know, the oil ones, right? Where you apply it and you let it sit and cure for 24 hours. I was advised on satin wheels because there's not much of a gloss or a sheen to this wheel set. So I was advised for satin wheels or matte wheels, if you will. Again, non-gloss wheels. To use this Jet Seal matte by Chemical Guys. And it lasts up to 12 months and it cures in 20 minutes. So it's really awesome. It says, you know, to shake well. So what I'm gonna do now is show you basically how I do it. You know, I wanna take care of these wheels. I want them to last long. And one thing that I've noticed is that the brake pads that I have, the ones that came factory from BMW, man, they leave a lot of brake dust. And the bad thing about it is that sometimes within these grooves right here, the brake dust hides. So I'm gonna make sure that I get wax all around. The way that I've seen Chemical Guys do it is either two ways, sponge or by hand. So I'm gonna try the sponge method first, just see how it goes. But you wanna make sure that you glaze it over the wheel. You know what, I think I'm just gonna do it by hand. So, you know, the way I've seen it do it, like that, right? You just apply it like lotion and you get it all over the place, right? You wanna make sure that you smear it all around, get those grooves, you know, get it all around. I don't really care if I get it on the tire. I mean, I probably should, right? But hey, it's already installed, so what are you gonna do? I think with your hands, you're able to get in places that the sponge probably can't get, and you can glaze them properly. So I find it a lot easier this way actually. So this is really cool. So yeah, we're gonna do this all around the rim. Make sure I glaze it all around as much as I can. And guys, you want to take your time on this, right? Because you don't want it to, you want to make sure you do a good job. So this is my first time applying this sort of wax onto the spoke. So it's gonna take some time, obviously. I want to enjoy the car and take it out for a drive and enjoy these wheels, but hey, prep work is important because I want these wheels to last me a long time. So yes, it's kind of like applying lotion, right? All right, so there you have it. We basically glazed all around this rim with this Jet Seal. I have a timer running right now on my clock, and 20 minutes, I'm going to basically just microfiber it out, buff it out with a microfiber towel. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all around the rest of the wheels. But essentially guys, that's all I wanna do. So I'm gonna let this sit, I'm gonna let it cure. I'm gonna get the rest of the wheels, get the idea. So yeah, I'll be back in a bit to buff it out and show you the results. You may not see a difference, but again, this is a good way to protect your car with Jet Seal matte sealant and paint protection by Chemical Guys. So essentially, this is how it's supposed to look like. We're about like 3 minutes away from it being completely cured, but I'm gonna let them sit for a little bit longer, let them get caked up, and then we're gonna buff it out. So it's just the waiting game now, guys. All right, guys, so we officially let it cure, and I can already see, yep, it's definitely dry. 20 minutes is what's recommended on the bottle, so I'm using a clean microfiber towel. And I'm basically just gonna wipe it down, buff it out, take it all off, and make sure it's good to go. So I'm gonna be here a while just to buff it all out. Make sure it's all that's taken care of.